We invite you to visit a place where the weather is warm and sunny. Yet, our citizens are anything but fair weather. You're entering Orange Country. Don't let the soft beaches and wide, winding roads fool you. Built with grit, our people bite back. The cynics are right. Here, we are entitled, unified by a familiar mark that redefines our identity. Orange runs within the fabric of our DNA. It is our spirit, our heartbeat. It's time we stand proud behind this orange curtain and show the world that behind every pretty facade is an ugly duck ready to defend its nation. We are the citizens of Orange Country. This is our land. So come on in. The water's frozen. Anaheim Ducks hockey.